Good morning, students. Today we start with our new chapter, that is food from plant. Lesson 4, food from plant. You know that plants are very useful to us. We get many things from plants. Plant gives us fresh air, food, wood, medicine, and many other things. Shade also, it gives us shade, it gives us fresh air, and all the foods, mainly most of the food, come from plants. So in this chapter we know about what food plant gives us. So let's start with this lesson, food from plant. So the first thing we start with fruits. What does plant gives us? Plant gives us fruit. The fruit which we eat, they are very healthy for our health, and we have to take fruit in our diet. So these fruit comes from plant. This fruit may be of juicy fruit, dry fruit. Some juicy fruits are mango, oranges. What are they? They are mango, oranges, watermelon. These are juicy fruit. Apple, banana, these all are fruits. And some dry fruit like cashew nut, walnut, these are dry fruits, and it's are very healthier for our health. It develop our mind, it sharpen our mind. So you have to eat this dry fruit also, and these all fruits are very necessary for us because it keeps us healthy. Next one is, and all dry fruits also. Vegetables. The vegetables, we take it in our every meal, in our breakfast, in our lunch, in our dinner. We take vegetable. These vegetables also come from plants. So these vegetables, we eat the part of plants, the parts stem, root. Some plants root we have to eat like carrot, radish. Some plants stem we have it, some plants leaf, some plants fruit. These parts of plants, stem, fruit, root, leaf, we eat as vegetable. So these vegetables are also very necessary and protect our body from many type of diseases. So you have to take it in your daily meal. So these vegetables come from fruits. The parts of root, that is radish and carrot. Some plants leaf like spinach, and some flowers like cauliflower we have it. So these all vegetables come from plant, like tomato, potato. These are the vegetables we eat in our daily meal. These all come from plant. Next is tea, coffee and beverages. Tea, coffee and sugar. As in our daily meal, you know that daily when we wake up, or your father or your elders wake up, they take tea or coffee. This tea or coffee we drink as a beverage. Beverage, that means which we drink. So this beverage like tea and coffee also come from plant. Tea comes from tea plant, and coffee comes from the coffee beans, that is the seed of the coffee plant. And you know that sugar which add sweet flavor in your sweet food like kheer, your sweets, it gives a sweet flavor, that is sugar. And this sugar come from sugar cane. So these all come from plants. Tea leaf, sugar cane. From sugar cane we get sugar. And jaggery, that is which you use in your food. Sugar cane, which from sugar we get sugar and jaggery. Next is pulses and cereals. Pulses and cereals. As you eat the food, you take pulses. Cereal is the main ingredient of our daily diet. That is, cereal means rice, wheat, maize. These are the main ingredient. And pulses, that means dal. You take it daily. And these are very necessary for our health. It keeps us to become strong, build your body, and also keep your mind fresh. You keep you healthy. So these are very necessary. So these pulses like moong, kidney bean, urad, these are pulses, and it is full of rich of vitamins. Cereals like rice, maize, wheat also comes from pulses like moong, gram, and cereals like rice, wheat, maize. These are cereals you take in your food. And next one, these are the ingredients which we get from plants. One main thing which we get from plant is oil. Cooking oil. You see in your kitchen when your mother cooks vegetables, they need oil to put them. So this oil also comes from the plant of some seed like mustard oil, mainly used in cooking vegetables, and mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. These all oils come from the seed of the plant. These seeds crushed and make up and converted into to get oil. These seeds, mustard, sunflower, coconut, ground nut, these are crushed to take oils. So you have also known mustard oil, mustard, coconut. So these are the plants which gives us oil. Many other plants we take oils, but this mustard oil, coconut oil, ground oil mainly used in cooking food. That is especially for vegetables. When your mother cook vegetable, they use this oil. So what do you read in this chapter? In this chapter we have already learned that plants gives us mostly foods. The foods are fruit, vegetable, tea, coffee, pulses, cereals, and cooking oils.